Hey, it's Paul Alex, founder of CashSwipe.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to build $10,000 a month in passive income from just one business. Now, if you think that's impossible without investing in real estate or winning the lottery, let's think again. This is the exact strategy I use to escape the 9-to-5 grind, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it too. So make sure to stick around until the very end because I'm not just dropping theory, guys. I've also shared real-life success stories and a free resource to get you started. So let's level up. Now, most people spend their lives working hard, but never truly get ahead. And I get it. I used to be there too, working 80 to 100 hour work weeks as a law enforcement detective in Oakland, California. I was burnt out and barely had any time for my family. But guess what? Paycheck barely moved, guys. But everything changed when I discovered a business model that didn't require a huge startup capital or years of experience. It's simple, scalable, and here's the best part. It builds residual income. That's right. You work once and the income keeps coming in month after month. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me and I'll break it down step by step. Okay, so here's the problem. Most people think that building wealth means trading more of their time for money. They believe that they need to climb the corporate ladder or work endless overtime to get ahead. But let me ask you this. How many people do you know who've worked harder for years but still struggle financially? Hard work is great, but if your income stops the moment you stop working, you'll never achieve true financial freedom. That's where passive income comes into play. And no, I'm not talking about investing millions in stocks or flipping dozens of properties. I'm talking about simple business models, guys, that anyone can start today. The solution in 2024, merchant services. This is how businesses process credit card payments. Every time a customer swipes their card, you make a small percentage of that transaction. What's incredible about this is that you're getting paid on money that's already flowing, guys. And even better, most small businesses in the US haven't adopted a cash discount program, a system that actually saves them money on fees. You could come in, help them implement the solution, and you earn a residual income from every transaction they process. So let's do the math. If you can help a business save thousands a month on fees, they process $100,000 a month. You're making a percentage of that. Do this with a handful of businesses and you're looking at $10,000 a month in passive income. Look, guys, let's talk numbers here because I know you're wondering, how much can I really make with merchant services or the cash discount program? Here's the beauty of this business model is that your income grows as you add more business clients. So let's break it down. Number one, guys, average monthly processing volume per business. Most small to medium-sized businesses process anywhere between $20,000 to $50,000 per month in credit card transactions. Some larger businesses like auto repair shops, restaurants may process $100,000 or more. Your residual percentage with the cash discount program, you typically earned around 0.5 to 1% of the total monthly processing volume as your residual income. So let's use a few scenarios. Scenario one, small business. Monthly processing volume, let's say 20,000. Your residual income at 1% is $200 a month. Now, you multiply that by 10 clients and you're already making $2,000 a month in passive income. Let's go to scenario number two, guys. Let's say you get a medium-sized business. Monthly processing volume, $50,000. Residual income at 1%, that's $500 a month, guys. Look, with just 5 of those medium-sized clients, you're pulling in $2,500 a month. $5,000 for 10 of those accounts. Scenario 3, guys, a large business. Let's say they're processing $100,000 and your residual income's at 1%, that's $1,000 a month. Say if you were to get 10 of those accounts, that's $10,000, guys. Yeah, so here's how achievable $10,000 a month is with this business. 10 medium-sized clients at $50,000 monthly volume, that's $5,000 monthly residuals. 10 small businesses plus 5 large businesses equals $10,000 a month, guys, in residual income. And remember, this income is passive, meaning that you work once and you get paid month after month. This is remarkable. So once the system is set up, you keep earning month after month without consistently needing to hustle for new clients. Okay, so let me give you some real life examples here. Now, let me introduce you to James. He recently just closed a nail salon doing $60,000 a month in transactions. That's one location alone that's gonna earn him between $600 to about $900 a month in residual income. And James didn't just stop there. After building a relationship with the owner, he found out that they own 3 more businesses, guys, which now he's in talks to signing up. This could easily double or triple his monthly passive income from just one client relationship. Here's another example. Lisa just closed her biggest account yet, Adele processing $150,000 a month. That deal alone is gonna bring her around $1,500 per month in residual income. These are real people building real wealth using this very simple business strategy. So here's some actionable steps that you need in order to get started. Number one, learn the basics, okay? Due diligence. You don't need to be an expert, but understanding how merchant services works is key here. Number two, join a program. You don't have to do this alone. My program provides the tools, training, and even guaranteed business locations, guys. Number three, take action. The biggest difference between those who succeed and those who don't is execution. To help you kick things off, guys, I'm hosting a free live webinar every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Central Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, inside of the Credit Card Processing for Beginners Facebook group. In this session, I will walk you through the entire process step by step and answer all your burning questions. Look, if this video inspired you, do me a big favor. Smash that like button, guys. Subscribe for more no BS strategies to build wealth and comment below. I want to really know from you, what would you do with $10,000 a month in passive income? How will your life change? Remember, the only thing standing between you and financial freedom is just action, guys. So let's take that first step together, join the webinar, and let's level up.